I'm gonna try to learn how to backflip in one day. I thought about it many times in my life, but I've never had enough balls to do that. Excuse me, sir. Do you know how to backflip?
No.
You don't know how to do it? Alright. Actually, I've never tried in my life and I don't want to break my neck. So first of all, I'm gonna try on the trampolines. Let's go.
What's up, shakes? This is the mic of the future. The trampoline place was beautiful, had beautiful socks, but it was full of kids and copyrighted music. I tried to backflip at least 50 times, and in the end I got pretty good results.
I hurt myself so bad.
So the same evening I decided to try on the ground. And I got stuck.
Fuck. Okay, right now I'm literally so scared.
And in the end I gave up. So the next day I tried again, but the result was basically the same.
This is so hard. This is exactly the definition of fear. A situation in which you are stuck. I know I can do it, I know I can jump and off, but I don't do it. I thought I could overcome a fear like this in a few hours, but probably I can't. What the fuck is that? It's an opossum! Sorry guys, I've never seen an opossum in my life. By the way, yeah, I think I'm gonna try on a mattress.
Then I realized that I had a mattress in my room, so I tried to use that to backflip. I really don't trust this floor, but I mean, what else could go wrong? Absolutely nothing happened. I'm a pussy.
This is the third day. The experiment is obviously failed, but I don't want to give up, guys, because now I feel like a little shit. But if I can do it, I'm gonna be extremely happy. I'm gonna try to follow step by step a tutorial that I watched online. First step, jump, pushing yourself with your arms. Second step, jump, driving your knees up a little bit. So far so good. Alright, third step, learning the backward roll, starting slowly and then using more power. Then I met this guy. This guy was about to change everything.
I'm gonna try to break my back.
Yeah.
The fourth step is like the backward roll, but instead of rolling on your back, you have to use one of your hands.
Oh,
Just fear, you know what I mean?
what is fear?
You're right.
If you're breathing, it's still fear. But you're still breathing, right?
Yeah, sure.
So why don't you flip and hold your breath?
Right.
Take a deep breath in, then go.
Sounds good.
Another thing again. You're going like this.
Like
you
this?
put all your weight on your leg and you flip.
At this point, the guy started to stare at me, literally waiting for me to do something. So I started to do something.
Use your right hand.
Fuck!
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, almost. Fuck yeah.
My ankle is fucked.
My ankle is completely gone, so I'm gonna try where it's softer. Alright, this material here is pretty good. If just I had a backyard, I could put a mattress behind me. But my backyard is owned by rats. If I die, it was nice to meet you. Oh, my ankle is fucked. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
Just tie something around it to support it.
I don't know what, but it was almost there. Fuck. It was almost there.
All right, take this. Ankle is better right now. You can just tie it.
Oh, thanks, man. Are you sure?
Sure.
Better. Try last time because my ankle is gone. We're almost there. Ooh.
Nice.
Oh,
That was better.
we're almost there. Oh, that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much, man. Nice to meet you.
Try and tie something on your leg.
He doesn't even know probably, but that guy helped me a lot. My ankle is gone, guys, but I'm so happy right now. This is literally why I'm making this type of videos. Be uncomfortable to be happy.
That was absolutely true. The same evening I tried again, because I really wanted to complete the backflip without using my hands. I had a little bit of fear in the beginning, but then I kept trying, and I was doing good. I was doing great.
Oh!
And then, this happened.
Mi si è fatto malissimo.
bait.
So yeah, here we go. I can absolutely guarantee you that this will not stop me from trying again in the future. But for this video, guys, I think it's enough. I literally almost broke my ankle, my knee and my face doing this video, so I really hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, just don't forget to click the bell. Follow me on Instagram, and if you want, support me on Patreon. Every link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you.
Yo guys, sooner or later, it's gonna work.